Imazee Panel is a professional manufacturer of large sheet materials, specializing in custom cut-to-size panels for cutting, engraving, sublimation, and UV printing. Located in Heyuan City, Guangdong Province, our large sheet factory occupies 6,000 square meters and has a daily production capacity of 6,000 square meters. We produce a wide variety of sustainable and durable large sheet materials, offering up to 8 options, including plywood, acrylic, aluminum, FRP, bamboo, glass, MDF, and hardboard. We also offer imported U.S. hardboard materials, which deliver exceptional sublimation results. These materials are available in a range of sizes and thicknesses to meet diverse needs. From high-quality raw materials with exceptional flatness and durability, our sheets are coated with eco-friendly coatings that ensure vibrant, high-impact prints on the substrate. We have professional cutting equipment that can provide custom cut-to-size and shape services, including smooth edge finishes, radius corners, custom holes, and more. We uphold strict quality control standards throughout the manufacturing process, ensuring that every product shipped meets both regulatory requirements and customer expectations. From indoor and outdoor displays to logos, signs, trade show graphics, advertising signs, and home decor, we've got you covered. Our materials are built for quality, reliability, and durability, helping your business thrive.